G'day, how yous going? This is just a little special. I'm just going to do this little thing, just for a few minutes, do that. Right, this gun, I've turned the wrong way again. Where the f*** am I? There. I've swapped the whatever other one was for this, the Klauki. This is because I can see the red better than I can see the green when I'm zeroed in. And I'm using these shock bullets. I went to, what is it, St. Agnes? Out here. Yes, Angaras. I don't know. But I went there and, oh well, that's where I popped in when the game started. And just out the front of the church here, there were 4 hunters and 2 or 3 dogs. And I took the pistol out and just started shooting the shit out of them. And I tell you what, I was that impressed. I went, well, there's no builder table there, so I've come over here and I've just made another 400 rounds for this thing. I've used up all my uranium. I don't care. I'm just going to use this gun forever and ever now. I'm going to take it down here and try it out on this prototype tank that hangs around down here in the thing up. Oh, I was going to go that way because there will be probably hunters and dogs hanging around at that farm up there, but now I've opened my big mouth, so I'll have to keep going this way. No. I'm going to do the hunters and that because whoa, lightning. This was so much fun down at that church, and there's no point going back there now because I've just killed everything down there. For once, there wasn't even anything in the up on the hill or anywhere, so I was going to have another run at going down. No, fuck it, just run. I was going to have another go at going down there and trying to do the thing, climb up on the roof of the barn thing, but boom. But, you know, I'm overexcited about this ammo, so I thought let's go somewhere where we can shoot shit. I'll be really pissed off if there's nothing here and I've got to run all the way back just to get at that tank. The tank's not up there either. I don't know what's going on. Ah, hunters. Right there. Ooh, I wonder how it'd go blowing cars up. Now don't go near that. I know all about that now. If you walk into that, you are just rat shit. Whoop. Get over the fence, you useless bloody thing. Oh, of course you can't run when you... Hey. See that electric thing still hanging around. I'd like to see a dog or something run into that just to see what it'd do. Oh, there's the tank. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, I just got down in time. No. Nope. How to kill a tank with a handgun. Oh yeah, that's something to be careful of, isn't it? You don't want to run into one of those. You can see where I've missed it. Oh, I don't even need that shit now. I'm not going to use it. Oh well. I'll thingy bob it. I'll run it through the mincer and turn it into something else. Yes, it's the next one down, right. I can hear a creeper. What are they? I don't know why I always think of the word creeper when these things are here, but... I can hear more hunters. I don't know where. I suppose I should search these houses every now and again. I just come up, shoot whatever the fuck is here and then just go away. Now there should be something here to play with. I'm going to go around Now let's get back here. Just see what happens if that dog walks into... No, it's going to stop it there, isn't it? It's gone now. We've got to hit it, that's the thing. Ew. So yeah, look at that. That dog just ran through that, and that one there, yeah. Oh, lovely. Oh, I'm in love with this gun. This is more fun than the sniper rifle. Yeah, look, see, that's still running down there. This is a gun to be extremely careful of, isn't it? And I've just realised I've got bugger all 9mm armour piercing. I've only got a couple of hundred, and like I've got thousands and thousands of the other shit. That's a harvester. It's just over there. Whoops. Oh, I can't go back to the safe house. Hang on. Well, I've got 23 rounds left. And what I shouldn't do is just run around wasting them, like shooting them off into the dark like I just was. I should really wait until I've got a target like that. Whoa! Oops. Time to go. Where's the house? Where's the barn? Help me, help me, help me, Mum. Yep. Ah, shit. Damn it. The bloody headphone cord has moved, and it was over the space bar. So naturally, I'm pushing my thumb down on the cord to jump, and it's not working. Oh, I can't see the harvester from here. Ah, bugger. I can see those bastards. Oh. Didn't realise I'd been done over that bad. Where's the... Go forward. Oh, crikey. Wow, yeah, thanks. Where's the inbox? Yeah, see, I only would have had 25 of them left. I'm going to have to be careful and just not act like a bloody fool, which is, you know, a bit difficult for me, but still. Reload. Right. I wonder what sort of damage it does at range. I mean, I know like the 72 shot kill. Yeah, look at it sparking up. There you go. Right, reload that. Save that ammo, because we've got thousands of this shit. Where's that bastard? There. That wasn't even aiming at it. Oh, and here's a good thing too. I killed a harvester. Killed a harvester at Sandbow. No, it's just like, what the hell, I'm short on med kits. I'll just go and get this one med kit. And I got an adrenaline shot. I was extremely happy. I can hear a tank too. I don't think I'm going to kill any more tanks with that pistol. Get off. Well, there he is. Oh, I'm standing right next to it. I'm looking for it and I'm standing right next to it. And there we go. Look at that. Another adrenaline shot. I don't know if they make these changes on the run, because I don't know a thing about making games or programming or anything like that. love that. You run around like a mad thing, reload and ducking out the way, and that, and it's like one bullet, bang. And of course the thing is, now let's start down here. Nice. The thing is, of course, if I want more uranium to make more of those bullets, I have to go back and do another fort. Ooh, geez. Yeah, we'll stay well away from that. Yeah, I have to go back and build another fort and do the home-based defence. They're not supposed to be out here. I shot them before. Alright, yeah, that was it. It was just to show you that handgun. I'm going to quit here now. I'll do some, I'm still going to play. I don't know, do I keep recording? Do I keep recording? Well, I was expecting all the cars to blow up then, and I thought I'd probably cop a whack. Yeah, what I'm going to do, I may have to do another, well, I still want to do like the hard fort home base defence, just to see how many times I'll get killed doing that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hunt around, find out whatever region has got the most level 4 tanks and shit, because I'm really still a bit dubious about harvesters, like as far as loot's concerned. And then I'm just going to go around and just kill the shit, not worry about happens to the whatever level the region is or anything. Just kill the shit out of all of it, because I really need get away, you mongrel. I really need bigger magazines for what I've got, or more experimentals. $28.93, righto. Geez, that didn't go up by much, did it? Oh well, we got an evolution. That's one thing. Yeah, there's no point picking up handgun ammo. I'm never going to use normal 9mm again, ever, ever, ever. And I had a big think about the bike ride. The bike ride, you've got to come down through here, and you can see this is one of the checkpoints. So the checkpoints run down through here past the church. down past here, and I think you're going to have to go as far as the bridge and possibly further. So I know there's a checkpoint there. I can't remember what's on this side of the bridge. I've hardly ever been down around here. So I generally come up here and kill shit and then go away. But I won't be able to do the bike ride because I'll have to come through here, and that means shooting at all these rivals and quite possibly having to kill a lot of them. I know what I can do. I'm gonna, yeah, I think that's probably about 20 minutes. Now if I go back here, right, that's brought everything with it. Oh, I never thought to check that. Yeah, see, this is still progress, none of 30. This is just... give me some. That's only 4 shots. I thought this was the 5 shot, not the other one. And of course it's just great weather for going around trying to spot fucking dogs and shoot them with the... trying to one-shot them. Excuse me, that's my bacon and mushrooms for breakfast that's coming back to haunt me. Alright, so where are they? I wonder if they're not spawning here now because I just come here all the time and shoot them. Oh, they're here. Oh. Get hold of the fucking mouse. Oh, this is going to be a slaughter, isn't it? Oh, just as I press the fire button. See, I like these little hunting rifles just for knocking dogs off. They're beautiful. Oh, I've just used... oh, well, I got 2 of them this morning, so... What was I on then? Oh, fuck, I need another one. Who cares? Just because I can. That's the tick. That was good. I didn't realise I hadn't reloaded. Oh, okay, thanks. Where's the camp thing that's up here? So I saw a comment on one of Doc Realgood's vids. I can't remember now, is it Sophie? I'm not sure. But she said there's 100 safe houses. And I'm pretty sure I haven't found 100. Although I know there's a shitload of stuff on this map that I have not seen. Like I haven't found. I've seen other people play and they're whoops. Ha 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 ha. I can see you sneaking around there, you little shit. Okay. Hmm. 32, yay! My favourite kind of bullet. Just go in and wipe those bastards out, who cares? I might shoot him with my little electric handgun. Hit the bloody thing. Jesus. It's run behind the building. It's in the bushes. Nice. And just because it's fun. First time I did that, I was standing about here shooting at a dog and they, boom, I ended up back over there somewhere and it's dead as dead can get. Can't be bothered searching all this crap, there's no point. Get, run, jump, do something. I'm not going to worry about this little farm down here. Right, I'm not going to do any of this mob. Now here we're level 12. These are going to be hard. Anything you do down here now is hard. But I think even hunters. Oh, fucking calabi. That's a hunter. That's a hunter. And I don't think I'd want a reaper down here. Look at the bloody landscape. Alright, I'll tell you what. I'll go here. We'll have a run at those two hunters and then I'll call it a day. It's getting on for lunchtime. Just gonna say, get on anywhere. Oh, I want 9mm armour piercing, thank you. If we don't mind. While we're here, we'll piss that off because that's no good to me now. Yeah, there's no thing here, so I'll just chuck everything in here. What are we, 72? Why are we 72? I'm only counting. Look at that, 14 adrenaline shots, that's fucking terrible. I don't know where all this weight is, but that's the weight we've got. That's the, oh, no. Right, that would have looked foolish, wouldn't it? No, I know what that is. And I can't hear anything up the back here either. I wonder what's going on. Maybe they might have gone home for Christmas. Yeah, you can't get up on the roof here, can you? No. I can hear them crying. You go, roar, roar. You can't get up on the roof here either. Well, they're just making this hard, aren't they? Especially for bloody clumsy clot like me. Oh, okay. Will you stop? Oh, you can get up there though, there's a balcony. Oh, I should have got the big machine gun out. Oh, there's a waste. Jesus. Oh. Fuck off the bush. Whoops. Oh! Get off, get off, get off, get away from me, get away from me. How many fucking hunters are there? Oh. I need somewhere to hole up and swap this out for the N60. Get, oh. I'm leaning and swerving in the chair. Oop, I know where you are. That bastard's lurking in the kitchen. There goes another one, see? See you out there. Trying hard not to shoot the window. Okay, threat meter's up, I can still hear a dog. I can still hear a hunter. According to the music. Ah, there's the dog over there. Oh, ticks. Bang. And the other one. Yep, I know there's two of yous. Oh no. This is going to be crap, isn't it? This is going to be rubbish loot. Whoa, athletic shoes. I think I've got a better one of that. I think I've got the 5 crown already. Ah. Right, go and find this other rival. See if it's got anything worth picking up. Picking up lots of 7.62. I'd love a small machine gun that took 7.62, but they're all 9mm, aren't they? And it's the 7.62 is for these big bloody belt things. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, I've done something to my arm. It's sore as. Right, so I'm going to call it there. That was actually intended to be just like a little 5-minute short, just to show that gun. But, you know, you get excited. I'm a boy at heart, you get carried away. So, thanks for stopping in. Hope you've had fun. Hope you go up and make your own fort and build some nice ammunition for yourselves. And I'm going to go now, so I'll see you later. Bye.